Hi, welcome to No Second Season. I'm just going to put this sealant in my tyres just to make sure that the beads are seated properly, and I'm going to have no problems once I get to my bike packing destination. Unfortunately, you have to let your tyres down when you fly, so there's always a risk that the bead will unseat and you'll have to go to a bike shop to get the tyre pumped up and reseated. But so far that's never happened to me. They've always stayed on the beads. So let's get some fluid in there. If you haven't got one of these little tools, grab one from your bike shop. They're really handy. So this little tool fits on the flats of your Presta valve, and you can unscrew it from here. So it should take roughly half of this bottle. It's took about a third. So I need to put some more in. Very cleverly, I didn't bring a rag out with me. Makes hell of a mess if you spill it. So I'm thinking I probably did a bit too much then. Well, that should do it. So screw your Presta valve back in. Tighten it with the tool. Just a little nip. It's such a pain when this valve comes out when you take off the pump, when you've just pumped it up. So that's tight. Unscrew the valve. That'll do. So, in case you don't know about Presta valve, so you've got the valve that screws in your wheel or that's in your tube, and inside that is the valve part with a seal that screws into the housing, and that should always stay in there, so it needs to be tight in there. And then you've got this bit that you unscrew when you pump it up or let it down, and then you need to screw that back up just with a little nip. Jobbed. So what I need to do now to put it in is make sure that I ride it or spin the wheels to make sure the fluid just doesn't settle in one place. So I'll have to remember to do that. So now I'll just do the rear one. So, let's see if they're up tomorrow morning. Hopefully. Doesn't seem to be any leaks. There's no reason why they shouldn't be. I'll keep you posted, so I'll close this video here. You'll be seeing me soon. Bye for now.
Lo cha cha cha. Lo cha cha cha.